So let's talk about the Hydrowave. I've had a question, how would I use it, what settings, and all of that kind of stuff. You know, I use it randomly throughout the tournaments, and it's a thing that a lot of people, you know, you don't even know, because I click it on in the morning. You know, you don't see it moving. It's not like a spinnerbait or something like that. But you know, how do I use it? What's the number one thing? Well, the number one time that I use it is when I'm around smallmouth. There's something about turning that thing on. I mean, I've literally had smallmouth swim off the bottom and come to the trolling motor. You know, but there's times I don't want that. You know, there's times I want to keep them on the structure. So it kind of depends on that. If I'm around bait, you know, you may come into a back of a creek in the fall and the bait's balled up and there's just nothing going on, you know, and I'll turn that thing on, you know, like a schooling setting. And what it does is it gets the bait, it just gets them moving. Therefore, it kind of gets the bass, you know, moving a little bit. Good example is, you know, like if you're fishing, you know, say a deep spot or something like that, and you get up or a boat runs by you, it kind of moves the bait around. And a lot of times when you get up or somebody comes by, you get a bite or they start schooling. This thing kind of does the same thing. It mixes it up. There's a lot of different settings on this. You know, you turn it on. You know, there's bait blitz, delayed schooling, schooling blitz. There's a ton of it. Surface bait. All it is sounds that mimic situations that are in the water. So, you know, crawfish on the bottom. I would say that you know, probably when I use the most is whenever there's schooling and stuff like that, and I'll use the delayed schooling. And a little tip is I don't like to leave it on just all the time. You can set it to where like 30 seconds, you know, it's delayed, and it seems like that gets them going more because it comes on and then it goes off. It comes on and it goes off rather than just leaving it on. So it's pretty cool. Like I say, I don't understand 100% about it. I can't tell you this and that, when and where. I just know that it works for me. You know, I literally won an event on St. Clair once, and 100% because of that. You know, I didn't figure it out till later in the tournament, but I had to have it on to even get a bite in my areas. So pretty important piece of equipment right there.